How to make anime in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your game, and after that add water to your board, then add water on top of it. It will create lake for you. Now you need to bring fire on board and bring another fire on top of it, and it will create volcano. Now add this volcano on top of lake and you would get island. Now we need to search for island over here and add island on top of island. Now we get continent, and after that you need to bring earth on your board, then bring another earth on top of it, and we will get mountain. Now we need to add mountain and continent together and we get Asia. Now we need to add island on Asia, so we will search for island and add Asia with it, and this way we will get Japan. Now we need to add fire on our board, after that add water on top of it. This way we get steam. Now we need to add steam with Japan and we get anime, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.